Well, good morning, friends. Got a little project this morning. Thought I might share with you guys. Um, got a battery here that we picked up last week. Had it. We took it to Folkestone to get Joe's tractor, and we put it in the back of the truck on the way back, and it turned over and poured a little acid out of it. So I had some battery acid at the house. I'm gonna try to fix it, and I'll turn it around here and see if I can't get the gimbal down. Yeah, right there. See if we can't get this thing fixed here. So you want to put gloves on. You want to be safe with this stuff. This is very corrosive, but it's battery fluid, and I'm just going to top it off. Most people would put water back in there, but that'll weaken the cells. We don't want to do that. We want to make sure that we got it done right. So, let's see. It's a little cooler today, but it's still humid. That's for sure. Alright, we'll take a little screwdriver here and pop this top off. That kind of looks full. That side looks full. Side off. No. It really don't look that bad. I don't know if you can see down in there. But they look pretty full. Alright, let's see if we can't put a little bit in here. Just a tad in each one to kind of freshen it up a little bit, you know. You can get this battery acid at most hardware stores. That's a cell that was down. Yeah. And it says battery fluid acid. Yeah, this side is a side that's got lost the fluid. So you want to make sure you get enough in there and don't get it on your clothes. Slowly pour it in there. Let's see. That one there could use a little bit more. Maybe that one there a little bit more. Yep, I think that should do it right there. Let's see here what I got. Let me. Oh, I got a mess here. Just want to dab it off. This is going to cause some problems, I know, with this rag. But I'm going to throw this rag away anyway. Got plenty of rags. Right over on the concretia. Put that back on. And then hit it with a charge here in a little bit. See what that does to it. But first of all, I want to take you over and show you what Joe got done to his tractor. He got the ejector lines put back on it. I want that. You can see the new injector lines he's put on it. Said he had to rebend them. They didn't come bent like he needed them. But he got that fixed up. So that's a good thing. Got my parts washer fixed. Let's see. Yeah, the parts washer's fixed now. It runs. Get my brushes here. As you can see, put a new pump on it. She runs good. Tell you what, that damn parts washer fluid is expensive. It's like $60-something for 5 gallons. And we worried about the cost of gas. And then my man Rhett, he's brought a new tractor into the fold for us and did some work on it and got it all put together. I want you to look at that right there. Now that right there is a brand new tractor. I'm not sure of the model. I have to get with Red on that and see what that is. But he sure did a good job of putting that together. I mean, that's 4-wheel drive. Got the mirrors on it. Yeah, I guess he had a man here working on it's got a cup of coffee. Got no 3-point or no hydraulics on it, so that may be a problem. Anyway, that's all I know right now. I'll bring you back when something else is going on. Bye.